The initial numbers in the 2020 census were released, and as expected, Michigan will lose one member of its congressional delegation, as it has every 10 years since the 1970s. Political reporter Rick Alvin here with a look at how today's announcement will impact the coming elections. Rick.
Well, Brian, from 19 members in the 70s to 13 members after 2022, the size of Michigan's delegation has continued to shrink after every apportionment or census. You can see which states will gain and lose members of Congress. Traditionally, states in the upper Midwest and Northeast have lost population and representation relative to growth. In other areas like the South and Southwest, that trend holds true again with this census. Pennsylvania, Illinois, New York, Ohio, Michigan, of course, among those losing seats. Texas, Florida, Colorado, Oregon, and others will be among states that increase the size of their delegation. Now, even though Michigan's population grew about 2% since 2010, other areas have grown far faster. For us here in Michigan, the commission to redraw the lines will now have to come up with 13 districts that represent at least 761,169 people each. This will be the first time those districts will be created not by the state legislature, but by that commission. Until those lines are drawn, it's unclear how that will impact current members or the district in which you live, right?
Rick, what is the process like? Is the redistricting commission determines how to drop one Michigan lawmaker?
Well, it'll be interesting because that lawmaker, whoever's district is drawn out, if you will still live in a congressional district. So let's say you lived in the existing, I'm going to take a number we don't even have because I don't want to make some judgment. If you lived in the hypothetical 19th district but were redrawn into the 17th district, you could still run again. So we really don't know how this is going to impact what our members look like. We just know that one of them won't be there because there'll be one less seat at the table.
The trend continues.
Yeah.
Rick, thank you.